today we're out here doing trash. Yesterday was a recycle day, if you remember. Today's trash. Different truck. That's my little mascot thing in there. Different truck, same piece of shit. This one's 203. Even more of a piece of shit than the other one. If you remember, the other one had 2 tow lifters on it. So it can lift 2 barrels at one time. This one's got 1. You know what I mean? But today we're doing trash. Much heavier than recycle. A lot dirtier, stinkier. People throw out anything, you know. You gotta check it, you know. Gotta check it. People throw out everything. Jewelry, money. You'd be amazed at what people throw out. Like they tell you, one person's trash is another's treasure. You know, it's like the $60 cash I found last week inside the back of the truck. Someone put it between 2 mattresses and, someone put it between 2 mattresses and left it there. Ended up in the back of the truck, 320s. Me and this kid that I'm with today, Mike, I split it with him, you know. That's what we do. If one person finds money anyways, then we switch it. This truck's old. These are the 2 handles. This is for it to come in and out. This is for it to crush and come down. In and out, crush, you know. See how that's going up? That's the bottom handle. And then it's coming out now. That's the top handle, you know. You know, so that's what it is. This truck is garbage though. Garbage, it's trash. These trash barrels get heavy though. They get heavy. You see that one that's full? Oh, there's 2 over there. There's 2 over there. But 1 gets full. For what? I told you. 35 minutes. It's only now. Huh? North Main. Everything's done. Just that little bit of North Main, the face. Why? Wiedemo. Wiedemo's that way, guy. Langley. Langley. Stewart. Stewart. Stewart's done, but the store's right here. We're doing this one. You told him the bottom of Langley? Dude, this is...
What's the face of North Main?
We got the face of North Main. Huh? Yeah, I don't know what the name of the street is right here. Joe's such a fuck up guy. This kid is such a moron. This kid that I work with right now. Such a moron. Summertime, this gets so much worse. And then I've been here almost 5 years now, 4 years for a little bit, so I get accustomed to it, you know. You do after a while, but see that thing squishing the bag, right? Sometimes it's filled with fluids or like gel from, you know, gel balls. They gel up, they ball up. And when they ball up, sometimes they squirt. They squirt all over cars. They squirt all over shit. And sometimes they squirt and they grab people. You see a guy come walking, and the back of the truck will squirt water on him or whatever. And you hear guys, they flip out. Ah! Oh, it's a funny scene. Funny scene. Oh. Or North Belmont Street, the Fall River.
Yeah, you can't tell them that, bro.
Huh?
I learned my lesson with that.
What?
You can't tell them a time like that.
No, you can't do it. I told you, there's no estimate. 45 degrees out today. That's Mike. There's that guy. Where are we? You good? Huh? What's your problem now?
Okay, I've never seen a street full of rocks ever in my life, bro.
So what happened? What happened? You got sprayed. I told you, I was just talking about that. You're getting sprayed by the barrel. This guy got sprayed. Oh, that's funny shit. He is a dumb guy. He is. He's a funny bastard, but he is dumb. I tell him, you gotta be the dumbest son of a bitch I ever met. Pull up there. Pull up there. You gotta tell him every move to do. 50 years old, dumb as a stump. It's like I'm teaching my child. It's a fast-paced job. You gotta keep going. You know. Gotta keep going. Cars will pull up behind you and beep. And they're pissed off, and you got ambulances pull up behind you, and fire engines, all that. You know. But you see a lot of stuff, a lot of people. You know. Son of a bitch. See what this one is. Must be yard waste. Yep, all full of grass. We don't get that until springtime. The people are still putting it out. You know what I mean? You see how the people in your city live when you do trash. You see how they live, and you can only imagine how their houses are. You know what I mean? Some people are so nasty, so gross. You know, but That's how they live. They're accustomed to it. They're comfortable. Oh my God, dirty. Keep it moving. That's all we do all day long. Keep it moving. Trash truck surfing. Woo! Let's get on and do some. Let's get on and do some miles. I'm already at like just walking today in the last hour 3,000 miles. Usually get like 1,200, 1,600, something around there. Give or take a few for every half hour. Get 1,600 steps, then it's up, down, up, down all day long. All day long. And now we're gonna chase after the truck. Yo! See what I mean? Dumb as a stump. You got a barrel here and a barrel there. He takes off. He's dumb as a stump. Never seen a guy like it in my life. We do this every day. He still does the same thing. It's dumb. He's all upset because, well, he's not upset, he's nervous because he told the boss, oh, I'll be done with the route in a half hour. We still got 20 minutes left. And that was about an hour ago. So the boss is calling him. I thought you said a half hour, where you been? But the kid's not only, he's slow. Hey, you see we got this truck. He could have had Kyle take that face right down, but he didn't. Kyle went right down it, you know what I'm saying? He knows we got this truck. They're fucking assholes, I'll tell you. A couple minute break. You're on like a little oompa loompa. Oh, this guy.
There you go, bro. Catch.
Don't shake the fuck. So you shake it. See what I mean? You got the brain of a fuck. You got the brain of an inchworm, dude.
It's not shaking, bro.
You got the brain of an inchworm.
Come on. It's not shaking.
No, hey, we throw his fucking thing across the room. Don't shake. Left.
Well, you were shaking it.
Let me throw you across the room and see if I shake. See if you shake. What's that up there in the sky? What, you see that UFO?
Oh, see the sun, bro? Right as the fuck.
Yeah, I know, it's nice. Wow, yeah, that big, that coat, we're doing it all day.
Front axle's gonna break.
Right, I don't think it's the front though, I think it's the back. Might be the front, I don't know.
It's right here. It's right here.
That one felt like it was right here, but I heard it before in the back, like it sounded like the dogs.
They go right by this shit.
Dude, even when they do Barnaby, they drive by the face of, what do you call it?
3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's it.
7, one there, and then we got like 4.
We
4.
already did something down that way, though.
Yeah, I know that guy. I know that.
This
Dude.
don't want to stop it good either.
That one right there in the corner is our first one, dude. At the next corner, so turn up and then back out. Or you're better off backing into it. Oh, go on, I don't care what you do. This way.
Better off.
Yeah, I got time. I get paid by the hour.
You know what I mean?
Be humble.
Much traffic.
Be humble. Hey, but they're all headed to the exit already.
Are they?
What do you think he's going up North Main Street for?
Good. Good.
Wow. Look at that. Conk every time he turns. Could have took the next turn, though.
Yeah, I know.
Well, you don't know,
That's
dude.
alright. I like a challenge sometimes.
Yeah, I know. It's a challenge. It's a mental fucking challenge for you to get out of bed.
It's a challenge, though. Every day's a challenge.
Challenge. I got my left foot on my right sock.
Oh, shit. Look at this.
I got my left foot on my right sock.
Look at this. Oh, man.
So she could have made that turn.
Inch, bro.
Right there. Kurgabing. Let's get out and get me a Robert Jr. at Kurgabing. Can't use the name of restaurants and or their affiliates for fear of being sued.
That's a nice challenge right here. This
So we can go to Kurgabing and get us a Rappa Jr. Boy, that smells good. That smells good. But D'Angelo's too. President who? President Bush. That's Mikey. He's our resident fucking nitwit. Mikey, remember that? I smell pussy. Oh yes, I smell pussy. Is that you, Mike? I smell pussy. Is that you, Mike? Oh, the boys in blue. Bad boys, bad boys. What you gonna do when who do they? No, I was gonna say INS, but it's not here. Hey, dude, half of my immigrants. No, it's AI, IA, Internal Affairs. Bad boys, what you gonna do? What you gonna do when IA comes for you? You crooked bastards. This is our old fire station. It's the Fall River Fire Museum. Right now it's animal control. Hey, you fuck! I almost cracked a rib with that one. Dude, that's wicked high. I think I did crack a rib.